Elephants love mud. Although they're used to the hot African sun, they welcome a bit of relief. As they pass through this drying pool, it's the perfect opportunity for some mud splashing. Spraying mud all over their bodies doesn't just cool them down, it also protects their skin against the sun and helps to get rid of parasites. This small calf has managed a good mud wallow, but crossing this narrow muddy pool is quite the challenge for this little guy. When he reaches the other side, he's ready for another long trek in the midday heat.